open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. Welcome each and everyone. I'm gonna show you how to make escovitch fish, and I'm using red snapper for this recipe. And this recipe you can make for your whole entire family. My name is Chef Andre Henry, and you're watching Chef Henry Kitchen. I'm gonna go over all of the ingredients. The start of the show, I'm using red snapper for this recipe, and I go ahead, I scaled, and I also wash using vinegar and lime. And this is something that I do in my kitchen. 1 tablespoon of pimento berry, tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a tablespoon of seasoned salt, and also a tablespoon of fish seasoning. Scotch bonnet pepper, 2 onion, thyme, half a sweet pepper, 2 carrots, and also a couple cloves of garlic. Now I finish getting the carrot all in these lovely julienne strips. Now for the peppers, I'm going to start out with the sweet pepper. Always wash everything you're using in the kitchen. I use a fork when I'm cutting up peppers, like scotch bonnet peppers. And I'm going to take this fish and I'm just going to cut pockets. And this is just for seasoning. Now I'm gonna add the seasoning. I'm just gonna hold the fish just like this, and I'm gonna start sprinkling the seasoning right in that pocket. And also on the inside. And don't forget to get the inside, just like that. And that is enough seasoning. And look, I mix enough seasoning at all time. Now that I finish seasoning the fish, I'm gonna remove these gloves and I'm gonna replace these gloves with new ones. So this is what the fish look like after finish seasoning. So I'm gonna set this out of the way, and I'm gonna get my pot and my stove ready because I'm frying the fish right in front of you guys. Now I have my pot onto the stove, and I added vegetable oil, and I added enough oil in the pot. It's basically like a deep frying the fish, but I want the oil to be super hot. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna add some of the thyme and garlic. And also some of the pimento. And this is just to give the oil flavor, and the fish gonna absorb all of that flavor. It's gonna go straight in the fish. We're just gonna let it fry up for a little bit into the oil. Now I'm gonna add the fish into the oil. I can smell the aroma. I'm showing you everything you need to know and how to make escovitch fish. And we're gonna let them go for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now I'm gonna turn the fish on the other side. Now I'm going to remove the fish from the oil, and I added paper towel onto a plate. Now I'm going to drain the oil, and I'm going to start making the sauce for the escovitch fish. You know you cannot have it without the sauce. I drain the oil and I leave a small amount of oil inside the pot, and this oil is well seasoned. Now I'm getting ready to make the sauce. I'm going to wait until the oil is hot. Now the oil is hot, I'm going to add the leftover thyme, and the onion and peppers, I'm going to cut up garlic inside the pot, just one garlic. Now I'm going to add the carrot. I have 1 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to add it to the rest of leftover seasoning. And I'm going to add it into the pot. Some pimento, and also a tablespoon of sugar. Vinegar is a little bit harsh, and it's gonna stop the harshness of the vinegar. And you don't want to fry these up too much. I just want to make it go for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to shut the stove off, and I'm going to make a plate And I will see you all for the taste test. Now I have my escovitch fish on a plate, and I serve it both festival and Bammy. And I'm gonna go in for the taste test. But first, check this out, guys. Well plated. And it's finger food. I don't know why I have the fork, just to tear in the fish. And this escovitch fish, I'm gonna try it with the festival. Nice and soft. And also I'm gonna put up that festival video right here, so you guys can go check that video out after making the fish. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I'm gonna try piece of the Bammy, and also I'm gonna put up that Bammy recipe right here. I'm gonna go in with some of the sauce. The right amount of pepper, the right amount of seasoning, everything is married on this plate. Festival and escovitch fish, Bammy and escovitch fish. And we are in that season again. I want to take this plate and I want to go finish everything on this plate. Make it and see you on the next one.